So this is a Caterpillar 666 motor scraper. It is actually, you're only seeing the bowl and the rear engine aspect of it right now in this part. The front half of the unit's still outside. We'll bring that in next. We are tearing it apart right now. The rear engine is seized. We don't really know if there's anything going on in the transmission or the axles, but it's pretty rare anymore. I believe that I've heard there's only 1 or 2 left in the country. So John Moyna would like this one fixed up and ready to go. So we are just literally started working on it today to try to get everything apart on it. John wants it ready to run. I believe there's a show coming up in September, and he wants it ready to run. Then we actually, Cody, the other mechanic working on it, we went through and did a Caterpillar 660, which the only major difference there is that one did not have the rear engine bowl. We did that about 3 years ago. And at that point it was very labor intensive, so this one we're trying to head that off and get to a little earlier in the year this time. Literally, we just pulled the engine hoods off today. It just got in here. We're just starting into it. We want to get the engine out, tear apart of the engine, see what's going on there, and we'll start chasing hydraulic lines. We'll end up completely fixing the entire sides of the scraper. We'll run it through our weld shop and fix any of the cuts and nicks and damage, any of the dents. We'll pull back out, and it'll look like almost a brand new piece when we're done with it here.